Hi, are you a beginner or a basic level English student? Alright, then this video is for you. In this video, you're going to learn how to talk about your day-to-day life or your daily routine in English. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to share my daily routine with you, and after that you can write and practice your own daily routine. So here is my daily routine for you. I wake up in the morning at 6 o'clock. After that, I freshen up and I make tea. After that, I take tea and then I go for a walk. After coming back from the walk, I do yoga and then I take a bath. After that, I do my household chores and I get ready for my office. At 8 a.m., I take my breakfast and after breakfast, I leave for office. I reach my office at 10 o'clock and I start my work. I check my emails, I train my students, I have my lunch at 1 o'clock and after lunch I resume my work. Sometime I talk to my colleague and I leave office at 7 in the evening. I reach home at 8. I cook dinner. I take dinner at 9 o'clock. After dinner, I watch TV. Then I use social media for some time. I read a book. And finally, I go to bed at 11 o'clock. That's my daily routine. Now it's your turn to think and practice your own daily routine. You can share it with us in the comment section. We'll try to help you. So that's all for this video. Keep watching and keep learning. Thank you.